How to change Trendyol language from Turkish to English. To change language on Trendyol application, this video is a short guide to help you out. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded latest version of Trendyol application from App Store or Play Store. Once you check that, the very next step you need to do is simply launch Trendyol application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the account option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there you'll see settings option, tap on it. Here if you see language option, then tap on it and change whichever language you want on your Trendyol application. But in some reason it is not available. If it is not available, then you have to change the language settings of your whole device. For that, go to the settings and hit on the general and choose language and region. From there, choose Turkish and hit on the use Turkish option available, and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily change Trendyol language from Turkish to English and vice versa. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.